How to download and install Facebook application. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the Facebook application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. Once you are here, you'll be able to see the search bar at the upper section. Simply tap on that and search for Facebook. Once you search for that, you'll be easily able to see the app. Simply tap on install option in the right hand side of the app. And it will take a few seconds to install it on your device, which depends upon your internet connection. Once you install the app, you can create or you can also log into your account. And by doing that, you'll be able to see the various newsfeed, and you can also share your reels and post and everything on Facebook. There are other various features of Facebook according to new updates. You can install it on your device and you can try it out. And after a few seconds, you can see Facebook has been installed on my device. So this is how you can download and install Facebook application. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.